Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create a temporary chat in Gemini. So a temporary chat in Gemini is just like an incognito chat that we have in Claude, where you can simply use it as a discarding chat, where you can simply get in your requests and then you can simply delete that just like a temporary session. So let me show you how you can create a temporary chat. So in order to start a temporary chat, you will first need to click onto this particular button right here. Just besides the new chat button, you will see a temporary chat. Simply click onto this temporary chat, and from now here you can type in anything that you like, and after doing all of your temporary work and all of the chatting, you can just simply dispose this off by clicking onto the toggle again. And now you can see that even if I try to go back, the temporary chat in the previous that was previously visible is nowhere to be seen. So that's how easily you can start a temporary chat in your Gemini. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.